Hello friends, in this video I will discuss your belief system or inner belief, how to clean them up. And beliefs are very important, very fundamental. If you look at our thoughts, words and actions, right? Basically our living, you think all the time, you speak words and act all the time. They're all driven by your belief system. Think of like a subconscious beliefs or even conscious beliefs. And your beliefs, your faith, that's what drives your thoughts, words, what you speak or write, and also your actions. So if you don't have a belief right, you're gonna be saying the wrong thing, thinking the wrong things, be in the negative vibration mode. And so your belief system is so fundamental, like building a house, right? Belief is your foundation, and thoughts, words, actions are, think of walls and windows and roofs there. So hence it's very important that belief system is correct for your manifesting. Now, that's the first point. Now, there are two kinds of beliefs, right? Your positive and the negative belief. Let's just say you're looking to have money, and you may have a positive belief such as, hey, I'm capable, I'm going to make money, I'm able to do that, I have education or a talent, I have skills, and I'm going to do that. That's a positive belief. On the other hand, you can have a negative belief like, no, I don't have the skill set, I'm not good for that, I won't get a good job, I don't get a good salary, I'm not sure when I'm going to have it. All those are negative beliefs. Again, belief system is just purely in your mind. None of them are true. You can flip immediately, say, hey, I'm capable, I can do this, I can get a great job, I can make money. It's just flip of a coin, you can change yourself, but we don't. All this belief system is holding you back. Same thing also valid for health or a relationship or whatever it is, career. So the key thing here is that understanding there's a belief system behind your thoughts, words, and actions, and identifying them. Now, it's not very difficult. Ask yourself, close your eyes and say, hey, I have this manifesting wish, whatever that is. Could be money, could be a great job, could be a person, a relationship. Ask yourself, why do you think you're going to have it? And those are all positive beliefs that's supporting you. And then look at yourself, what's holding you back? What's creating your fear? What's creating your doubt? What's creating your worry? Those are all the negative belief. Ask yourself, why is that you cannot have it? Then slowly you may have an inner feeling like, no, I don't think I deserve it. I don't think I'm capable. I don't think I have the skills. Whatever that is, it'll slowly come up. Ask yourself very openly, what's holding me back? What is holding me back believing I can have it? This is a question. I want something and I'm going to have something. Why do you believe you won't have it? Why do you believe you're having a worry or a doubt or a fear? The worry and doubt and fear reflect you have a negative belief. So dig deeper and ask yourself, what is that fear behind? Why am I fearing this won't happen? What am I worried about? What am I holding back? That will open up internally. Only you can ask the question, only you would know that. And those negative beliefs will come up. That's how you identify the negative belief. And now the job is to flip it, right? You need to boost your positive belief. Yes, I can. I'm capable. I'm going to do it. I can visualize it. I got no problem. It's going to happen. And I'm really deserving. And I'm good enough. All those are positive belief. You need to reinforce that. You may already have some, but double and triple and quadruple your positive belief. Now, on the negative side is a little harder. First thing is to identify it. Now comes the challenge or your task, your homework, your task of eliminating, cleaning up, getting rid of the negative belief. There are many different ways. I will have a complete video on this. It's a very critical topic, but let me summarize in a short one here. And this is probably not good enough in a short education. I'll have a full video on identifying and removing your negative belief. But here are some short steps, practices you can do. The first one is clearly looking at the negative belief and countering it and saying, no, it is only my mind, it's only somebody said so. That is not true. Having a sheer confidence that and just negating that belief that is not true. That's the first one you can try. And some could be your parents or your siblings or your friends told you something and you're just carrying that belief with you. Number 2 is affirmation. You can write the positive affirmation, exactly reversing it. If you feel like you're not good enough, affirmation is, I am good enough. If you feel you're not capable, affirmation is, yes, I am capable. If you feel you don't have the skills, no, I have the skill, or I will build up the skill, I will learn the skill. Just flip your belief into the positive side. That's your positive affirmation. You need to say, write, and do. That's another very powerful one. Affirm continuously, and that will change your belief system. The affirmation is to change your belief system. It does change it. That's another methodology as well. And third one is that, basically you can also write the affirmation. So one is thought-based, another one is writing affirmation in various forms and listening to it. Other one is there are sleep or affirmation meditation. You can listen in continuously while you're walking or you're jogging, exercising, or in a quiet moment, or maybe even when you're driving, you can listen to some nice tape that will reaffirm there, especially also sleep meditation. You can have affirmation during sleep. It goes to subconscious mind. That's another way to drive this affirmation inside. Another one is bolstering your confidence. When you start seeing some results, you will flip. Your mind also will flip. So it means that, any simple progress you do, let's say you want money, you made some progress, you've got some money, you take that and you use that as a positive step. Look at that. Look at this. I'm already on my way. I'm getting there. You're just going to exaggerate, blow up your progress more, and use that to reaffirm your positivity and reduce your negativity. Another technique is that you also have your friends or your family members reinforce that. Have them stop the negative statement. Tell them to reinforce this positive statement, such as, hey, you're good. You're good enough. You're going to have a great job. You're going to have a great partner. Let them reinforce that positive belief instead of being negative. They're negative, stay away from them. You can request them, hey, stop being negative. I believe in this. I can. Can you please encourage me and tell me positive statements? Don't give me negative crap. That's what you tell them. And you can even tell them, help me by reinforcing my belief. Here's my belief on the positive belief. Can you reinforce me occasionally here and there? Let them say that. When they say that, you also start believing in it, right? Other people telling you. These are the many techniques. I got more techniques as well on this. This is how you can reinforce the positive belief and eliminate the negative belief. But in summary, beliefs are very important. You can get the thoughts, words, and actions in a positive direction if you don't have the foundation belief supporting it. You need to have the faith and the belief to support your manifesting, support your positive thoughts, your manifesting thoughts and words and actions. Hope this is very useful. And I got more on this stuff in further videos. Please, if you do please like, subscribe, and share. And I have a free ebook and a free masterclass this year. You can join under spiritualuniversity.org, also in the description. I'm 𝐷, I'm part of the Manifesting the Best channel, and see you in the next video there. Until then, stay super positive, bolster, double up your positive belief, and identify, remove, and eliminate your negative belief. That's your key to manifesting. That's your foundation for your manifesting. I will help you there. Take care. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.